Welcome to Ask Logic, the video series where we're answering your questions. I'm Todd Smith and I'll be your host. Throughout this video series, we're going to cover things that we're experts in. So SEO, web design, web development, PPC, social media, photography, and videography. That's why we wanted to start Ask Lifted Logic, to help serve out content to people who aren't just our clients. Because the more you guys know, the better decisions you can make. How do you figure out a plan? So basically, you go through you pick a development company, you go through the process, they build you a kick-ass app, you love it, it goes live, billions and billions of people are downloading it, and now what? So like, how do you come up with like a post-launch plan? Do you need like a post-launch plan?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So again, this is where the big differences between building a web app versus a native app really start to kind of show themselves. Because as we talked about, let's say we built an iOS app. Apple updates its guidelines to have apps approved or updates its code base. You have to have your dev go in and maintain that. If that happens if you have your app available on iOS, Google, and Mac and Windows, you now have to go and update and make these changes 4 different places. With developers that probably have 4 different skill sets, because not every developer can build for all those different tools.
You're very rarely going to find one developer who's going to be able to maintain all 4 of those.
So it gets expensive, and it gets takes a lot of time, and
that's not us saying like don't do it. I think we just run into a lot of clients who don't understand that because like once again, like the buzzword app has just given everyone app fever. Yeah, and so just if you're going to get into that type of development and that type of product, it's really important to understand all the things that come with that. Yeah.
Nothing's ever done. That's why your apps on your phone always have updates. That's why your Google Chrome browser updates itself. Everything updates because there's always going to be issues. There's always going to be further maintenance required.
And the more people you have on it, the more issues you're going to find.
Yeah. The more users, they're going to find more bugs, which is a good problem to have. But generally speaking, if you have one platform that you're working on, it becomes a lot easier to maintain that long term.
Feel free to hashtag AskLL on social media, and we'll get to them as quickly as we can. But keep in mind, there are no stupid questions, especially in the digital space.